At Condorchem Enviro Solutions, we specialize in treating the most complex, hazardous, and challenging industrial wastewater streams across a wide range of industries. We deliver fully integrated turnkey zero liquid discharge systems designed to eliminate wastewater discharge while maximizing operational sustainability. Every project begins in our in-house laboratory, where we characterize wastewater, evaluate treatment alternatives, and validate performance through pilot testing. Our engineering team develops fully customized treatment trains by integrating the most efficient and reliable technologies for each specific application, ensuring optimal and consistent performance. We have extensive expertise in the customization of evaporation and crystallization systems, including MVR evaporators that deliver high energy efficiency. Heat pump evaporators and crystallizers engineered to operate at low temperatures while handling demanding industrial effluents. And thermal multiple effect evaporators for high-capacity applications. Before delivery, every system undergoes rigorous factory acceptance testing at our facilities to guarantee performance, safety, and compliance with project specifications. Our support continues on site, where our technicians carry out commissioning, operator training, and after-sales service to ensure long-term operational success. By partnering with Condorchem Enviro Solutions, companies significantly reduce wastewater hauling and disposal costs while improving environmental compliance. Our solutions also enable water reuse, helping industries reduce freshwater consumption and move toward more sustainable operations. And through wastewater valorization, we recover valuable raw materials and byproducts, transforming waste streams into new economic opportunities.